We have a nice exponential equation. 10 to the power 100 plus x equals 100 to the power 10 plus x. Let us solve the equation. We have 10 to the power 100 plus x equals 100 to the power 10 plus x. Then we can write 10 to the power 100 plus x equals 10 square to the power 10 plus x. Then 10 to the power 100 plus x equals 10 to the power 2 into 10 plus x, because if we have something like this, a to the power m to the power n, we can write as a to the power m times n. So next we can write 10 to the power 100 plus x equals 10 to the power 20 plus 2x. So next we can write 100 plus x equals 20 plus 2x, because if we have something like this, a to the power m equals a to the power n, then we can write m equals n. When the bases are equal, we can write the left power equals the right power. Then we get 2x plus 20 equals 100 plus x. Next we can write 2x minus x equals 100 minus 20, which gives us x equals 80, which is our solution. So if we have equation 10 to the power 100 plus x equals 100 to the power 10 plus x, the solution is x equals 80. Thanks for watching the video.